So welcome back to another video. If you've been wondering why everyone is talking about AI, but you're still not seeing any real income, this video might completely change the way you think about it. Because after watching thousands of people jump into AI, I've noticed something strange. Almost everyone has access to the same tools. ChatGPT, Cloud, Gemini, Midjourney, Canva, but somehow very few people are actually making money. So what's going on? And more importantly, how do you think become one of the people actually win? Let's talk about it. The chapter 1, the biggest lie about AI. Most people think they have a tool problem. They think if I just buy one more course, if I just buy one more AI app, if I just find the perfect prompt, everything will suddenly work. But that's not the truth. The truth is, we don't have a real tool shortage. We have an execution shortage because powerful AI has become available to everyone. But owning a hammer doesn't automatically build a house, and owning ChatGPT doesn't automatically build a business. Chapter 2, why most people never make money. Here's what actually happens. Someone get excited about AI, they open ChatGPT, watch a few YouTube videos, buy some courses, save hundreds of ideas, download 20 different apps, and then nothing. No product, no audience, no funnel, no business. Just more information. And more overwhelmed, months go by, and they start saying things like, maybe AI is too saturated, maybe I missed the opportunity, maybe everybody else is just luckier. But the real problem isn't AI. The problem is they never shipped anything. Chapter 3, the people who are winning, the people making money in AI aren't necessarily smarter. They aren't coding geniuses, and there are no secret nobody else. They simply do one thing differently. They finish while most people are collecting information. They're shipping products while everyone else is watching tutorial. They build, there are others are planning, they're publishing, because AI income doesn't come from ideas. Income comes from execution. Chapter 4, the new opportunity. And that's what I believe they're really living through one of the biggest opportunities in history. For the first time ever, one person can do the work that used to require entire team. You can use AI to write books, create courses, build website, launch YouTube channel, design product, create marketing campaign, generate content, and even automate part of your business. The barrier to entry has never been lowered. But here's the catch. Tools alone won't save you. They never will. Because tools don't build business. The people do. Chapter 5. What you should focus on. Instead of asking which AI tool should I buy, start asking what I am building. Because once you have clarity, the tools become easy. Pick one project, pick one audience, pick one offer, and focus on finishing, not perfection, not endless learning, not collecting information, just building. Because a finished product isn't perfect. You'll always be the perfect that idea never get launched. Chapter 6. The future belongs to the builders. Over the next few years, millions of people will continuously using AI, but only a simple percentage will actually turn into something valuable. Those people won't necessarily have better tools. They will simply become builders. People who take ideas and turn them into reality. People who stop consuming and start creating. People who stop waiting and start shipping. So remember this. Everyone has AI now. Almost nobody gets paid by it because making money isn't about having access. And keep shipping. And if you're willing to build, you might be surprised how much is possible. And thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.